What's up, guys? Welcome back for another episode of Nino and Lo. Today we're in the garden doing a little spring cleanup, so come on in, let's get to it. Now, this type of work isn't the easiest work to do. It's not the most fun, but it's absolutely necessary. You have to get out all that winter dead grass that's under there. In our case, we have a huge pine tree, so all the pine needles and the pine cones, you just need some good old elbow grease. This is the stuff that comes up off the grass. It's all the pine needles from the big pine tree. This is the same lawn about a week later after we'd finished raking up all the pine needles and we've gotten some good rain. First mowing of the season. It's the ice cream man. So as you can see, I'm outside in my very messy garage, which I'm in the process of organizing. But that's for another day. I want to thank you guys all for subscribing and watching me through this garden journey this spring. Anyhow, I'm going to flip the camera and I'm going to show you what I'm working on today. I've decided the weather's nice. I'm going to come out and do some cleaning up of my plant graveyard here. So let's get to work. Getting everything taken out just in time for spring. Got all the bikes out, garden's going, and look it, we've almost finished emptying out the shed. Gotta get all the furniture out. This is me, about an hour later, all cleaned up for now. Just this little area. Let me flip the camera and show you what it looks like. My pots are almost ready for summer planting.
What are you trying to do there, babe?
Just doing a little cleanup.
Just getting all the pine needles and the pine cones out of there.
Just a little bit of cleanup and getting some of the old leaves from under my boxwood hedge here so it can breathe. Just preparing to plant some little annuals tucked in here, but just doing a little cleanup, garden maintenance. And they're put on their nice spring growth. You can see the light green leaves. That's all new growth that it's shooting up. So I guess they're happy in this spot.
There's a lot of work to clean that up, huh?
Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Happy gardening.